As we venture into the mesmerizing depths of the ocean, we find ourselves immersed in a world of wonder and fascination. Here, in the warm tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific region, we encounter an enigmatic creature known as the Platax, or more commonly, the Batfish. These graceful beings, with their distinct disc-shaped bodies and elongated, wing-like fins, are true wonders of the deep. But it is not just their remarkable appearance that captures our attention. The batfish reveal a captivating trait, an inexplicable attraction to divers, particularly those adorned with bright yellow fins. They approach, curious and unafraid, swimming in harmony with these human visitors, creating a spectacle that enchants us all. Intriguingly, these batfish are not solitary wanderers of the ocean, but social beings. They gather in small schools, gliding gracefully through the cerulean waters, their fins expertly guiding them along the intricate coral formations. This fearlessness and sociable disposition have earned them a place in the hearts of underwater enthusiasts and photographers, who seek to capture their elegance on film. As we observe them in their habitat, we witness their foraging behavior, a balletic display of precision. Batfish, like the true omnivores they are, graze on small invertebrates, zooplankton, and algae found amidst the vibrant coral reefs they call home. Their specialized fins allow them to probe and pick at the reef's surface with astonishing finesse. Yet, in this watery world of serene beauty, batfish are not without natural enemies. Predators such as sharks, barracudas, and larger reef-dwelling fish pose a constant threat to these graceful creatures. It is their collective vigilance and keen sense of their surroundings that help batfish navigate the treacherous waters and avoid falling victim to these formidable foes. Furthermore, as we marvel at these underwater wonders, we are reminded of the fragility of their world. In a striking visual, we see a batfish caught on a discarded fishing hook, a stark reminder of the perils that human activities can pose to marine life. This unintended consequence underscores the urgent need for responsible fishing practices and the protection of the coral reef sanctuaries. Batfish, though not targeted by commercial fisheries, face indirect threats. Habitat destruction, pollution, and other perils loom large over the very coral reefs that are their primary habitats. These fragile ecosystems, essential for the survival of countless marine species, including the batfish, require our protection. As we venture forth, let us ensure that the batfish and their fellow oceanic inhabitants continue to thrive, a testament to the enduring marvels of our planet's underwater realms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.